Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Smart and I'm your teacher, and I'll be teaching a different question and answer in this question and answer series by Class Theta. So our today's question which we'll be discussing is which of the following statement are correct regarding management report in QuickBooks Online. So we have some options here. You can export management reports in Word, PDF and Excel format. Option 2, you can customize report via the management report screens. Option 3, you can add as many reports as needed to the package. And option D, you can reorder the report including in the package. So the answer of the question is option C and D. You can add as many report as you need to a management report package, but you cannot reorder the reports except the deleting or re-adding them. However, you can only select the two templates by default by accessing from the QuickBooks Online accountant. To customize reports, leave the management report, editing the functionality, and then add the report to the management report package afterwards. So if you have any other question, just leave a comment and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next question, bye bye.